Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect your Shopify with Spocket, and this is going to obviously help you in your business with plenty of things that you can do once you interconnect both of these platforms, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now, to get started, let's actually start talking about Spocket. So the first thing we should talk about is the pricing, because Spocket is not a free platform. Spocket here offers four different plans: the Starter, Pro, Empire, and Unicorn plans. Now, I'm not going to compare everything in them. I would suggest if you want to actually dig deep and compare the pricing to get to spocket.co/pricing, and you can, sorry, and you can see the differences between the plans yourself over here. But you can see the most important things: 24, not 25 unique products for the starter plan, 250 for pro, 10,000. Is that 10? Yeah, 10,000, and then 25,000. I thought I was wrong for a sec. Okay, anyways. So, and then there are other differences as well. But basically, Spocket, once you connect it to your Shopify, you'll be able to import products from Spocket to Shopify. And mainly, Spocket is used for product research and drop shipping if done correctly. It can be used with that, but you can import products from Spocket to Shopify once you connect them, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do so right now. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Shopify. Now there are two different methods. I'm going to go for this method, and I'm going to also go over the other method a little bit. So for this method, you just go ahead and click on your go to your Shopify dashboard. From your Shopify dashboard, you simply just click on apps and add apps. From here, you can just scroll down till you see find more apps in the Shopify App Store, and you just go ahead and access the Shopify App Store. Sorry. From here, you just go ahead and look for Spocket. It usually is going to be in the main page because it's very popular and it's used by many, and it has high ratings, a lot. So you can just find it over here. If not, you can just simply look for it, Spocket, and you should find it. Once you find it, you can just simply click on it, and you can see the pricing over here. It does mention it does have a free plan. This is just for testing. It's not going to do much, trust me. So we can just simply install and then give it a sec. And this process is going to connect both fronts together. So it's going to connect the Shopify to our Spocket here. And we can just click on install app. And afterwards, it should redirect us to Spocket. We're here, all the magic happens. Now, a different method, obviously, if you don't have a Spocket account, it will ask you to create one. So keep that in mind. If you want to do the other method, it's also very simple. You go to spocket.com, create an account, and then from there you can just go ahead and click on settings. From settings, you just go to your store, and then you should find multiple options here, including Shopify. Shopify should be at the top. And if you want to paste the store, you can simply just go ahead and go to your Shopify, to your store, where you should see this right here, the ID. You just copy that and paste it over to your to the space right here, and it should be connected. It's very simple and easy. Now, once you actually connect your Spocket to your Shopify, you'll be able to do anything that you were able to do with Spocket, but now it's actually going to be for your Shopify as well. So they're basically just as a one platform. It's very, very interesting. So if you want to actually find products and stuff, you can go to your Spocket homepage, and then from here you obviously can just type in a keyword, men's boots. It's just an example, I know, but you've got plenty of filters to work with. So after we type that and see what's up, we can see, click on filters. We will find things like ships from or ships to, shipping time, You need to make sure that you know all those things and note them down, as well as the item cost. So if you want to be on the cheaper side, you can just filter that, and it's going to give you pretty much the products that you will be searching for exactly with this filter. And we've got more bonus filters here, if you will. So ships from maybe US, we want from US maybe. Marketplace products, if we want. We can also click on premium products if that's what we want. So you've got plenty of options here to choose from. You can also do the fast USA shipping, which is also nice. And here we can sort by price, high to low, low to high, relevance, meaning, how popular the item is. And we've got plenty of filters because, like I said, a lot of people use Spocket for product research and searching for good products. And then you can just obviously browse around. I don't know why this is. Hold on. Did I just. Oh, okay. I misspelled that. So men's boots. It should refresh in a sec. Okay, so maybe this one you can obviously, if you click on any products, you will be able to see the description, the listing price. Sorry about that. The retail price, the processing time, shipping timing, and obviously the place of whether it's United States or EU. Now it does also. It's not only US and EU. You need to understand that it also does the same for AliExpress products. So here you need to have Ali Scraper, and I guess it's going to work the same way as US EU products. But we can also click on winning products and going to show us the you can see the trending products pretty much. But yeah, this is pretty much what you will have here. Once you add a bunch of them, you will have your import list, the products that you choose to import. Same thing goes for your reviews and stuff here. Pretty much, I'm not going to like teach you how to use Spocket here, but I'm just trying to say that all the options that you have with your Spocket are going to be available to your Shopify store now, simply by just connecting them. So you can simply import items from Spocket to Shopify by just again searching for your product, boots, right? And then you just simply import them after you know the details, every last bit of details, and filter and make sure that the product is exactly what you want it to be. You can simply just import it. So you can just add to import list if this is the way you want, after checking the description, details, pricing points, everything, and you can just go ahead and click on import list, and it should be on here. And then from there you will obviously do the push all and whatever you would do. And this also, you've got ask AI to write, and this does need apparently this other platform, but the regular stuff you should find over here. So it's very simple. You can just add as many products, and then you can just push individually or all at the same time, and then it should be good to go and ready to go. Really, it's very simple and straightforward. I hope that you liked this video on how to actually connect both Spocket and Shopify, and thanks for watching.